Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information. Key benefits of using steam in the dryer: fewer wrinkles, reduced static, odor neutralization, saves time and energy. If unable to immediately remove a load from the dryer, select the Wrinkle Shield Plus option with steam for improved wrinkle fighting performance. This will help keep wrinkles from setting into clean, dry fabrics. This option uses tumbling and steam for up to 150 minutes after the cycle ends, or until you open the dryer door. The Reduce Static option helps decrease static and can be used on wet or dry clothes. The dryer will automatically tumble, pause, and introduce a small amount of moisture into the load to help reduce static. Help smooth out wrinkles and reduce odors of dry clothes with the Steam Refresh cycle. For optimal performance, use a large load with the Steam Refresh cycle.